To install Samsung default grid service in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, select connections, and then tap more connection settings. Next, tap printing, tap default print service, and then please wait until searching complete, and then on your printer, tap information icon, select Samsung. The default print service provides basic options. Other options for this printer may be available from another print service. Tap Samsung, and then you can select the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store to install, and then tap install. Just wait until process complete. Installing, and then to open, tap open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.